From the floor of the CME Group, this is Tuesday, October 5th. And today comes in and these markets are firmed up as the rally ensued. And I had a funny feeling that we were going to see this only because of what happened yesterday. These two futures went down and tested last week's low, 27.30 in the S&P, 27 even low yesterday, 1961 even in the NASDAQ, 1958 even from last week, and held solid. They come back, they settle at half the day's daily ranges for the session, which is a signal that a double bottom was in sight, and lo and behold, today, here it is, as they are extending upward, and now the next key is if they're going to test last week's high, which would be 53.5 in the S&P and 30 even in the NASDAQ. They're kind of fidgeting back and forth, but at 9 o'clock this morning, there was a signal to a big bias to the buy side, and near the highs at about 49.5, 50 even, Goldman came in and bought close to 500 contracts that have taken them up a little bit higher, and right now they're kind of drifting around. I suspect, though, we're going to see another test of that 53.5, and if so, top notch will look for a 57.60, possibly a 65.80 weekly continuation trend line. Doubt if they could got that much in it today. The NASDAQ, on the other hand, back to the 17 handle again. They were looking for 19 quarter, they're rejecting that level. The overnight Globex session saw these babies down on their lows, babies, puppies, futures. Anyway, and I had a funny feeling that had to do with the bonds. The bonds opened up at 133.29 on Globex last night, go up to a high of 34.18. They're not even close on that today. The bonds at this time during the regular session are holding a key buy value level at 133.20. They went down to 33.21, back up to 34 even. Went down to 34.21 again, 34 even. So their pivotal price today is 34.04. If they can get a bit above there and take out the current daily high of 34.06, that could lead to some slippage in the S&P. Overall, the markets are quiet, all in anticipation of the Friday employment data. And I don't know really what to expect. Let me just turn around here and see if they made a new high. They're only 75 cents off the highs right now in the S&P, so top notch is looking for a continuation, an extension of Friday's high at 53.5, 57, 58. That's about it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.